Have you ever wondered why your bird won't take a bath? It can be a bit puzzling, but don't worry, I've got some tips to help you encourage them. First, make sure the bathing area is inviting and safe. A shallow dish with clean, lukewarm water can work wonders. Some birds prefer a gentle misting instead of a bath. Try using a spray bottle to lightly mist them, but don't overdo it. Observe your bird's behavior. They might just need a little time to adjust. You can also try placing the bath in a sunny spot to entice them. Remember, patience is key. Every bird is different. With a little encouragement, your feathered friend will be splashing in no time.